we will guide you through how to make spiral line in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to create a drawing. Type line and press Enter. Then draw a horizontal line to create the base of a triangle. Draw a vertical line from the center of the horizontal line toward the top to create the triangle's center reference. Type line again and draw lines from the top of the vertical line to both ends of the horizontal line to complete the triangle. Next, use Extend to continue the triangle lines beyond the original shape, providing enough space for creating the spiral. Type Arc and choose the Start, End, Radius option to begin the first curved section. Select the appropriate starting and ending points along the extended triangle lines. Then specify the radius to create the first arc. Use the side of the triangle as a reference, and continue forming the curved spiral from the first arc. Type Arc again, and create the next curved section from the end of the previous arc, keeping the spiral connected smoothly. Continue creating additional arcs around the triangle, using the previous arc and triangle sides as references so the spiral gradually moves toward the center. Make sure every new arc connects properly with the previous arc without leaving unwanted gaps between the sections. Continue the same process by creating another arc from one side of the triangle toward the next side until the spiral reaches the desired position and shape. Type Trim and select the unwanted portions of the construction lines and triangle to clean the drawing. Delete the construction lines, change the spiral color, check that all curves connect smoothly, and save the completed AutoCAD drawing by pressing Ctrl+S for future editing and